So here at FNR, we have an administration office that includes 2 CPAs as our bookkeepers, office secretary to answer the phones and do some light typing. We also have a business manager that controls the whole office staff, including a job costing department, an estimating department, an engineering department, a project coordination department. Also, we have a production control department that has 2 different foremans for upholstery and foremans for millwork. We have a total of 47 employees in-house right now. Well, our warehouse, our production facility consists of 25,000 square feet of manufacturing only space. Within that space, we have different divisions of lamination, veneering, laminates, plastics, edge banders. We also have custom millwork where that gets done in the front of the warehouse. In the back of the warehouse, we have our assembly departments. We have our raw wood processing area. We have our assembly department where we assemble all of our products. That machine is a CNC router machine. It is capable of cutting up to 5 by 12 foot spans. So we could put either material that's 5 by 12 feet in length, or we could put materials staggered within that perimeter of 5 by 12 feet. So we can cut several different projects within one pass, and it will label each piece per the particular project that we cut. So it nests different projects into one cut if it needs to, unless your project requires whole sheets, which most do, then we just cut them. The benefit of us having the CNC machine is that all of our radiuses, all of the templates that we take are digitized. Everything, every object that is built in or within a curvature comes out exact with the CNC machine. To 0.01 millimeters of a change, it cuts it exactly to the size of the radius contour. So what we do is that we send out shop drawings to our clients in PDF or AutoCAD, because we do everything via AutoCAD. When we submit this to the client reviews it and either approves it or rejects it for any kind of red lines or changes they want. Once we have the final approval from the client, we have a software that converts that drawing into G codes. The machine reads G codes and cuts the entire plan that you have already approved, and it nests the entire product, or whether it's a banquet or a restaurant or a bar or a hotel guest room, and it cuts and nests the entire program into the necessary sheets with the least amount of material yield and exact precision. The benefit of having the CNC machine is we'll have precision and speed to be able to cut your project faster. The moment that it's approved, it gets turned over into G codes as mentioned, and the machine reads the G codes and cuts your project exactly as per your approval, precise and as fast as possible, because it does work all the time. It's on and cutting all the time. It's a self-sustained machine that runs 24 hours a day when it needs to, or 12-hour days, and it doesn't stop cutting. Besides our 25,000 square foot manufacturing facility, we have a 10,000 square foot storage facility where we have all of our material. We took all of our material and we took it outside of our manufacturing facility and we put it right next door in a warehouse that we own next door, which is 10,000 square feet. That gave us the opportunity to have a 25,000 square foot plant of strictly manufacturing and producing, and a 10,000 square foot plant of inventory of stored projects. All of our raw materials, all of our special order materials, all of the project materials are stored next door in the plant, directly connected. So we are directly connected to the plant next door, where we wheel in wheelbarrows every particular project, its materials and so on, over to the manufacturing plant. We also have a 5,000 square foot paint facility that's strictly set up for polyurethane and acrylic finishing, with 10 employees working there, with one overseeing gentleman that's a foreman, has been with us for over 10 years.